Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cipher Block. In Japanese, Suguru. In the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, November the 19th, 2024. And I've already solved 3 puzzles, the 3 stars, 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 9621. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 14 printed digits. Well, the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 14. So, yeah. Should be an easy one. But it's indicated by the publisher with 4 stars Sudoku. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Yeah. Is this really 4 stars? I don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Here dual box, there dual box, contains the 1 and 2. Well, this box can be 1. We have 1 here and the 2 goes there. Here, let me mark those 2 boxes. Need more information. Insufficient information right now. How about the triple boxes? Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Let me see. Let me see. Triple boxes. Yeah. Cannot see any triple boxes here. How about quadra boxes? Do we have here quadra boxes? Well, I see here 1 quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Oh, overlook this triple box. 2 is already given, so those 2 boxes will be 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. More quadra boxes? No. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Only 1. Following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Only 1. Oh no, here we have another one. This box has the same number as that box. It's a mirrored. Only 2 of those L shapes. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Then. Let me blow my nose first. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize. We have only 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left with 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. Then, you see, these 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2. So 1 box left with 2 in this W area shape. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left with 5 in this W area shape should be here. These 3 boxes surrounded 3 can be 3. So 1 box left with 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left with 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Then... Well. These 2 boxes can be 3. These 2 boxes... Oh, wait. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 3. 1 box left with 3 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left with a 3 in this W area shape supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 4 and 1. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left with 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then these 2 boxes can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Well. This box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be... Oh, we already have a 1 here. So this box can be 1, and those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. That means that this box cannot be a 5 anymore. We have a double 5 here. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for 5 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. 3 and 5. We have 5 now. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So not the solution, place the 1 there, and the 1 should be supposed to be here. This box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Come on. Well. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is connected with that box, so 4 and 5. Well, These two boxes can be 4 or a 5. Well. Let me think. Think. 1, 2. This box can be 1, can be 2. Should be a 3. Can be a 4. Yes, definitely a 3 here. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box will be a 3, and I've eliminated here 4, so the 4 goes there. This box can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be 2 anymore. If I place 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. Not the solution, place 2 there, and the 2 is supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. This box can be 1, so the 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair. We have a 1 there, so this can be 1 anymore. That box will be a 1, and this box will be a 2. 1 box left now in this cross area for number 5. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. These are 3 boxes, so 1 and 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Let me think. No 4. This box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. This box can be 4. And also that box can be 4. We have a double 4 there. If you place 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. It's supposed to be here. For the 5, we have a 4 now, so this box will be a 5. Is connected with that box, will be so 5. 1 box left now in this L-shaped area for number 4. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 2. We have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then this box can be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. These 3 boxes, so 1 and the 5 can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. 3 and a 4. We already have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes with 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be 3, and I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 box left now in this area for number 4. Finished in 13 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3, no. 2, no. 1, no. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So well, please with time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow on Wednesday. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.